Oh, you know what you did. You always... You always... What's my next line? Great. What else is new? I'm so tired of working with these amateurs. Hey, I'm no amateur. I've been on the show longer than you have. Cut. Maybe it's time for a break. Hey, Draculaura, can you help me with my channel trailer? Oh, I would love to help you, Ginger. Okay, great. Hello, darlings! Welcome to Ginger's Doll World. This is Ginger, and I am Draculaura, the big star on this channel. I don't think so. Hey, get out of here! Okay, so on my channel, I create doll shows like Skull Academy, My Roommates Are Vampires, plus I'm working on other new shows for Monster High, Barbies, and Polly Pocket dolls. Ooh, I love the Polly Pocket dolls. Oh, and you make all the sets for the shows too, right? Yep, that's right. There are also videos on how I create all the sets and props for the shows using cardboard, and I also give old dollhouses, play sets, and furniture makeovers. And I do doll makeovers and even started doing doll repaints and rerooting. Yeah, I don't know about the doll repaints, darling. You definitely need to practice more. Yes, you're right. I agree. I do need more practice. Oh, and talk about the DollTuber series, darling. That sounds exciting. It is exciting. I want to help other DollTubers start shows like Skull Academy, plus help them learn how to optimize their channels. So if you want to start a doll channel or a doll series like Skull Academy, don't miss any of our DollTuber series. So subscribe right now and share this video with someone you know who wants to start a YouTube channel as well. That's so great, Ginger! So, my darling friends, please subscribe to Ginger's Doll World and make sure to turn on notifications for all the videos to help support the channel. Thanks, Draculaura. Okay, we better get back to work.